This video will show you how to install your new control panel using step-by-step instructions. If you need help with any part of this installation, simply call TELUS Smart Home Technical Support at 1-855-255-8828. To set up your touchscreen control panel, you'll need a wireless internet connection plus your Wi-Fi network name and password. You'll also need to come up with a master code for your control panel, which is used for arming and disarming from the panel. Start by removing the back cover to connect the power supply. To do this, slip your thumb under the tab and push down. Once it's off, insert the power supply into the power jack and clip the wire through the two retainers. Then, click the cover back into place, attach the stand, and place the panel on a surface, making sure you've plugged the power adapter into a power outlet. When selecting a place for your panel, choose somewhere you'll be able to conveniently access to arm and disarm your system as you come and go, usually near your front door. Make sure it has a power outlet within reach and is in range of your Wi-Fi network. You'll find the power button on the right-hand side of the panel. Press it and hold for 3 seconds to turn it on. You should see the LED light next to it. It'll be solid red for a few seconds before blinking green. Follow the steps on your panel to set up Wi-Fi. You'll need to enter your network name and password for it to connect. Do a system check and perform a software update. Once that's completed, you'll be ready to start adding devices using the TELUS Smart Home application on your phone.